everyone, I'm Krish, and in today's video I will tell you how you can make I literally won't stop streaming stream which I did, and I got a comment on that to make a video on how to make that stream. So this is that video, and a shout out to Khalid Zubair, who is one of my recent subscribers. So if you want to be a part of the shout out, just subscribe to this channel and comment that you subscribe to win a chance to be in the shout out. So let's jump on the computer screen. So first we have to go to Google Chrome and then open your YouTube Studio. Here click on your channel icon and go to YouTube Studio. Here under customization, go to basic info and copy your channel URL. Now go to the following website. Now go to the following website. The link will be in the description below, and enter your channel link that we had just copied and click on enter. It will show 0 subscribers because I have hidden my subscribers, so this won't work if your subscriber count is hidden. So to enable it, just go back to YouTube Studio, then to your settings, and then under channel and feature and under advanced settings, here under subscriber count, display number of people subscribed to my channel, and click on save. You will get it started. It will show number of subscribers, your logo, etc. So after this, just head to OBS Studio and create a new scene. Like that, I will add a color source and click on OK. I had white, so I'll select white and click on OK. Now click on the plus icon and add browser. Where is it? Yeah. Now click on browser and copy this link. Copy this link, and in OBS Studio here URL, paste that link and make the width 1920 by 1080 and click on OK. Now here our browser has come, and we don't want these extra parts, so we'll just crop them out. That's it. Now place it in the center like this, the exact same thing. That time I had 92 subscribers. At the end, like, I added these titles and all. I will add these. Now click on plus and click on text and type this text, or you can type some other text. Black. Now I will reduce the size from here and make it fit, and I added one more thing. This looks better, and I added one more text. Decrease the size. Now our stream is ready. We again need to head back to YouTube Studio and click on go live. Now here in edit, just put what I had written. I am making the visibility as private, but you make sure it is public so everyone can see your post. And upload a thumbnail. I'm not showing how to make this thumbnail. I actually had already made a thumbnail for this one. I got it. I'll open the thumbnail and show you what I did so you can make the same thing. And if you have to leave everything else as it is, and obviously put the tags, so whatever people search different things or something, they come to your video. I actually got a lot of views, around 160 or 170. Click on save. Now here you get a stream key. So copy the stream key, go to your OBS and under settings, in stream, you select service as YouTube and enter your stream key and click on apply and OK. So here after everything is done, you have your thumbnail ready and your stream is ready. You just click on start streaming, and here in YouTube Studio you will see that it has started. 2 seconds, 5 seconds, the stream has started. It's a private stream, so nobody is actually able to see this stream. This is very easy, and yes, I will show the thumbnail I made so you can make it. This is the thumbnail, so it's a red background and I have written I won't stop streaming and put my channel banner, my channel icon and name, and I just would subscribe for no reason please, and the number of subscriber counts which I had. So after making this, if you want, you can write the same thing here as well, but not for not interrupting the stream. Just go to studio mode and add one more text. Yeah, here add and write subscribe for no reason please. I'll select the font color as blue, click on OK. And so what you do in studio mode will not actually affect your stream until you apply it, and I will tell you how you can do that. So when you have set it completely, just click on studio mode again. So and when you see the stream, you will actually see that in a few seconds it will come. See, so it is come, and it was not like on the stream you were doing and writing the text and all, and it was showing how you resized it. So one good thing is, even if you close the browser, the stream will not be affected, and it shows the real number of subscribers, the real time count. It may differ in a few seconds or 1 or 2 minutes, but it won't affect much. So I will just So if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, share it with everyone and subscribe to this channel for more such content.